Hola clase, so I just wanted to go through to see what we are going to be coming up with this coming week. So the activities that are going to be due for 1018, this is after your quiz. You do start the Learn Smart for the following chapter, which is chapter 4, but it's just the vocab one, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, so those are the Connect activities that we have due on the 18th. Remember, you also have to complete the written exam and the oral portion of the exam. And I went through the different instructions in the last video. They are here if you go under course documents, written and oral exam. Okay, and then if you go here under assignments, you'll see that is where you turn in the quiz chapter 3 submission that you complete through Zoom with your partner. Okay, so if there are any questions, please reach out to me and let me know.